Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to download and install Spotify. So you first of all open up the Play Store app, then you click on search, and in the search bar you just type Spotify, then you click search and you see the Spotify app, so just click on install and wait for it to download. As you can see, it only costs 36.21 MB and just wait. Now, once it's done downloading, it will automatically start installing. So you just have to wait for it to change from installing to installed. To know more about the app, you can click on it and just look at things under it to see what Spotify is about. Just read all this while waiting, or you can do that before you actually download the app, anyone you like. So once that's done, you can see your Spotify is now there. It is on your device. You can go back and check your device, and voila, Spotify is right here. And that is how to download and install Spotify.